This website is really useful to use free icons in your mobile and web applications. You just need to search for an icon like a Facebook, and it will show you the list of icons you can use. So if you want to edit any icon, you just need to click on the icon and you can see a list of customs which you can add effect on the icons, like stroke. If I want to give a stroke to my icon, you can increase the size and decrease the size. If you want to give a padding, you can also give some paddings. You can also change the background color like yellow, red, etc. You can also give a custom color to the background of an icon. Also, you can create a circle icon like this one. You can also create a square icon like this one. If you want to download the icon, you just need to click the download button and you can select a range of px like 60 px, 90 px, 120, and etc. You can also give a custom px like 200, so it will show you it's available. You can also create a svg, or simply if you want to get an embedded link for svg, you can just click on the embedded html. It will show you the svg for that particular icon. You just need to copy it and paste it where you want to show it. Hope you like the content. See you soon.